Hey guys, Zid here, and in this video we'll talk about the most recent Quebec immigration draw and how you guys can get an invitation to apply if you haven't received it this time. First, let me show you guys the details of this draw. Number of invitations 1,202, minimum point 620, draw date September 6, 2022, draw published on September 20th, 2022, draw features the largest Quebec draw in 2022 so far, and the program guys is Quebec Skilled Worker Program or Qswp. Now the question is, how can you get invited to apply under this program? Guys, you can get invited through Quebec's expression of interest system. Let me show you these steps. Step 1 is to submit an electronic expression of interest for permanent immigration to arrima. All candidates in the pool will be ranked based on their human capital and labor market related criteria, including age, education, language proficiency, and work experience. Guys, here's how to compute for your Qswp score. Age up to 16 points, education up to 14 points, work experience up to 8 points, training up to 12 points, job offer up to 14 points, language proficiency up to 22 points, connections in Quebec up to 8 points, spouse or common law partner up to 17 points, accompanying children up to 8 points, and financial stability 1 point. Step 2 is to receive an invitation to apply to immigrate to Quebec under the Qswp. Step 3 is to submit a complete application for permanent selection. This portal allows you to complete your application, make changes to your application, make online payments, as well as track your application status. Now for step 4 guys, if your application is successful, you will receive a CSQ or the Quebec Selection Certificate, which you can use to apply to the Government of Canada for permanent residence. Finally, step 5 is to receive your permanent resident visa and arrive in Canada. Now here's the next video you can watch now. Guys, if you haven't done so, please subscribe to the channel, like this video, and hit the notification bell so that you get notified on my new videos.